What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So you see my boy Menor back at it, back hard at it. Got the motor, the tranny, pretty much everything's here now. We ran to the dollar store, got some awesome. If you don't know, boys, that stuff right there is literally what the name says it is. And I got a little bit left of that Dr. Mechanic. So he sprayed that thing down, got it sitting. He bought a little brush from the dollar store. He's just going through scrubbing everything off. And I mean, this thing is super clean the way it is. But we're gonna get it cleaned up and degreased and pretty much fine clean, boys, for a fine paint job we're gonna lay on it. So I'm gonna be doing this like my motor, Chosen's motor. So it's gonna be all prettied up and ready for show. Got the ports taped off, got the distributor cap taped off. We're probably still gonna throw a little bag over that, tie it off right around the distributor cap. Got the throttle body taped off. Y'all see it, boys, skunk tooth throttle. All right, boys, you see it? I mean, cleaned up like no other. It was already clean to begin with. This just put the cherry on top, boys. Actually, this is the icing. The cherry will be the paint. So we're gonna be painting this the aluminum color, cast aluminum by VHT. You'll see, no capping over here, boys. GSR, full GSR, JDM. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna let this bad boy dry out, actually wring out, and then we'll pull it in the building, and then blow it off maybe with air. Dry it off maybe, and start masking it off to get ready for paint. Immaculate shape, boys. Clean. Come on, puppy. Time to hit this griddle, boys. Get some dinner cooked up so I can eat and lay down and get ready to hit this road tonight, y'all. All right, boys, you see it? Grill stays prepped, clean after every use. We're gonna be throwing some pretty healthy steaks on here today, thanks to the legend. Guy likes to eat good, so always comes through with some good meat to throw on the grill. We're just gonna get everything prepped up, boys. Be right back at you.
Okay.
All right, boys. You see here these ribeyes. Nice and juicy.
Is that Blackstone? At first, I was gonna get the whole thing, you know, so you can so you can come in here and then just cut it at the thickness that you prefer, you know what I mean? But that's right. We got a meat man around here.
Professional meat man, un carnicero,
papi. That's right.
Un carnicero, papi. No estoy hablando de papo. Equivoque.
If I ever open a meat shop.
Yeah, meat shop. I mean, you might as well when you
get
that farm. When you get that farm.
Yeah, when I get that
farm.
Coming. Yeah, oh, you know it's coming.
It's coming, bro.
Yeah, when I get that farm.
Triple L Farms.
And I'ma have longhorn cows in there, you know?
Triple L Farms, baby.
They already got a Triple F Farms around here.
Most sold somewhere. Legendary Farms. It's good. Eso huele rico.
Eso sí.
Smells delicious, baby.
Thank you, Miss Pacheco.
Thank you to both.
O a final del mes, a principio del mes, ok, vamos a ver qué fue lo que dice este mes. Vamos a ver.
GSR. Full GSR. All right, boys, this is what my homeboy bought. This is what he wants me to paint, primer the block and the tranny with. So I think it's a good choice. I didn't use VHT's product for my engine, but hey, willing to try it. Not sponsored, wish I was, but I'm not. But yeah, boys, just gonna get this thing shook up and get ready to lay some down. Nothing to it, guys. There we go. First coat of primer, boys. This stuff is covering really good, y'all. Try to make sure I get in all the nooks and crannies. So we'll help it out a little bit because it's starting to get cold here already in Virginia. Just gonna hit it with the heat gun a little bit. Let it dry. 10-15 minutes. And come back and hit it with another coat, boys. Here we go, guys. First coat. Guys, coat number 2. Stuff is laying down amazing, let me tell you. The primer, super thick, grabs a hold really, really fast. The first coat covers everything. It's crazy, boys. And y'all see after the first coat of the cast aluminum, that stuff's looking chrome. This is really nice stuff, boys. I like it. I like it a lot. So, coat number 2. Here we go. Mira qué linda, papi. That's just primer. Qué cosita más linda. There you have it, guys. Second coat of primer. I'm not recording any of this because right now I just got in from the road. I'm looking crazy. I'm tired. I'm wore out, but I'm just trying to get ahead on this. And my tripod is somewhere in here, but yeah, just wanted to get y'all a little short, or a little clip video here to add in on this video of the second coat of primer laid down, boys. So next thing we're going in with is going to be this engine enamel that we used for the motor over there. So just gonna let this dry for about 10 or 15 minutes, and we're going in with some paint, boys. Looking good, looking real good, looking wet. Pause. And that ain't nothing but primer, boys. All right, boys, here we going in with the last and final coat on this transmission. And she's looking real clean, boys. Complete makeover. I'm super happy with it. I know my homeboy's happy with it too. Total success. All right, boys, that's going to do it for this video of the engine paint and transmission being painted. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go on and smash the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. If you enjoyed the video, or the video inspired you or taught you something, go on and smash the like button. Doesn't cost you a thing either, and it helps the channel out a lot, boys. Also, hit the bell icon down below to get notifications whenever we drop some new content on the channel. That way you'll get notifications firsthand as soon as it drops. And yeah, boys, I appreciate each and every single one of you that is tuned in on this video. And each of you that is a loyal supporter. And yeah, as I always say, love you all. God bless you all, boys. And until the next one, we out.